in the boat. Sheephead, yeah. All right, baby. I like the sound of that. Brand new day, brand new motor. Got my new Newport Vessel trolling motor too as well. All right, yep, got some gas in there. And here's the beauty of this motor is this start button right here. All right, sure. Well, water's coming out. That's good. Water pump's working. There we go. All right. Oh yeah. Love it, love it, love it. Man, you get what you pay for. One shot. Yeah, no more pulling. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I also got this little tachometer right here as I'm breaking in my machine. For the first 2 days, for the first 2 hours, I can't go more than 2,000 RPM, and that right here is telling me my RPM right here. It's got other features and function too, but that's what I'm mainly using it for today, to help me gauge my RPM and to break this in. Man, I must be honest, this motor is so quiet. Not a beautiful morning here at the harbor. It's a weekday. Yep. So there's nobody out here, but the weekends get really busy. I love launching out here on the weekdays whenever I can. Yeah, boy, this is so quiet. I can hear myself talking. I can't do that. I forgot my phone in the car. Better go back and get it. All right, got the phone. I got my little mini inReach satellite here. Let's see. Start sharing my location with the wife so she knows where I'm at. It's a perfect time to do some morning coffee. Got a new cook set here for the boat. There we go. Block that wind off. This is so much better than my previous cooking set. That was for camping. This one, I can get some real fire going. Check this out, man. I love this boat a lot better than my old kayak. I got all this space here for cooking. You know what? We'll do the good old. There we go. Perfect. Maybe in the future, I'll lay down some foam on the deck here to make it more comfortable to sit. But right now, this will do. All right. Ooh. Hey man, don't waste the coffee. No, where's the coffee beans? No. Got me a brand new coffee mug. Get all the coffee in there, man. All right, well, there you go. I'll get the fire going. Oh man, I don't know about you, but I love the simple life. I can tell you there are a million things right now that I could do more, but you can't keep grinding and expect yourself to be productive all the time. I saw some guy who was trolling here in the harbor, and he caught a big halibut just by trolling. I figure maybe that's what we're gonna try to do right now, is just troll around right here in the harbor before we get out to be able to open up the throttle a little bit out in the open water and see if we can catch something along the way. All right. This is my PenFathom 6000 rig. Brand new. I've never used it. And today, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We'll be using this for trolling. All right, I got this squid. Let's see if I can get a piece of squid here. There we go. Ooh. Whew. Man, that stink. Let's see. All right, squid. All right, got that squid on there. All right, let it down slowly. Cheers to a beautiful morning. Beautiful island. I might not own a big yacht, but to me, this is my own little yacht right here. Welcome to my my tiny little yacht. I get everything I need. It's so nice to be able to get out here, man. It's like I got these rods. They've been, oh, better be careful. Bridge. Bridge. Got these rods, been sitting in the garage for a while. And finally been able to use it to get out here and hopefully catch some fish. beautiful. Look at this house right here, man. Wow. These are some beautiful houses. Look at that. Nice sandy beach right in the backyard too. Wow. I won't complain if I can buy one of these. I can go fishing every day. Well, but I don't know. I'll be working my butt off so hard. I don't even know if I have time to go fishing every day. Even now, with what little I have, I still have to work my butt off just to try to make it out here. Ooh, is that fish? Nope. Let's keep going. But yeah, even with what little life I have right now, I'm working my butt off every day, and I have to intentionally make time to shut down my computer and tell myself to give it a break at a specific time every day, or otherwise be working all day long, non-stop. It's crazy. That's just life. This guy right here has got a cool job driving around in the boat every day, making sure that things are running smoothly here in the harbor. I don't know, that's kind of cool job. I don't mind having a job like that for part-time. So for the first 2 hours breaking in this motor, that's the reason why I have this tachometer. You're not supposed to go over 2,000 RPM, and you're supposed to vary your motor. So like the first 5 minutes, you should have it in idle. And then for the first 2 hours, just vary your RPM, but do not go over 2,000. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So just a quick tip for you, if you got a brand new motor and you want to break in, if you have like a Tohatsu motor like myself, that's how you break in the motor, so that you can extend the life and have the motor running smoothly and properly. But check out this island, man. Look at all these houses over here. This is California dreaming for me. You know, growing up, I always wanted to live close to a place like this. About right now in the Midwest, it's about to start snowing, and for me, here I am cruising around the island, trying to catch a fish, you know, sharing a hot coffee with you. It's a life, man. Not going to complain. You make the best out of it. Catch anything? Good luck. All right, let's change the speed a little bit. Well, I've been cruising around this island in a while, so give you guys a chance to see what's Balboa Island is like here in Newport Beach looks like from the water, because I know a lot of people are here walking along the trail, but may not necessarily see this view from the river. I mean, from the water channel. So here it is. Yeah, I'm going like 3 miles per hour on the trolling, 3-4 miles. And I love this motor. This motor is so quiet, man. My small motor gets me up to about 5 miles per hour on this boat, but that's full open throttle and it's super loud. I can't even hear myself talking. This motor is awesome. You get what you pay for. Look at some of these mansions. This is what you know, 10-15 million dollars get you out here. Nice mansion by the water with your own private sandy beach and a dock of your own for your boat. They say California is the, what is it? The fifth, either the fifth or the third now, largest economy in the world. So much money out here. I think it's true. People out here got a lot of money. I'm not one of them, obviously. But just the sheer amount of wealth you can see out here on the water is pretty amazing, pretty crazy. I mean, some of these yachts are like submarines looking like. When I have a chance next time, I'll show you those yachts, man. They look like submarines. I don't know, you know the young billionaire Palmer Luckey. I believe he sold the Oculus Quest to Facebook for like $3.1 billion or something like that. He's got a house out here. And I also believe he has a naval battleship. Somehow he got his hands on one of those. And he's parked out here too as well. Pretty crazy. It tells you the kind of people that live out here. This whole harbor supported entire economies. You've got like Duffy rental service over there, and then you got divers that go around the neighborhood to either dive down below to clean the bottom of these boats and these yachts. And then you've got, you know, you drop something valuable in the water, those scuba divers are there too. And you got construction. I mean, look at this. There's always construction going on over here in the harbor, constantly. Oh man, I love so much room here. Coming from the kayak, it's just so much room, man. And the kayak wasn't even that less expensive. Honestly, if you think about between something like this and a kayak, I highly recommend getting this. The reason I got the kayak in the first place, because I thought I was going to be able to haul that big freaking kayak on top of my car. So I even get the rack for my the roof on the car. Turned out that freaking kayak is way too big and too heavy. Then I have to end up getting a trailer. And that's exactly what I was trying to avoid in the first place, getting a trailer. So I ended up having to get a trailer anyways. If I would have known, I would have got something like this in the first place. My kayak is like 12 foot. This one is 11, but hands down, so much more space. And a lot safer too. Yeah, I feel a lot safer on this thing, man. This thing is not rocking. Even out here, sometimes when there's a big yacht come by, I'm getting all wet just sitting in my kayak. Here, no problem. Yeah, see, these are guys that work. These are the divers. comes the sheriff. Cool boat. Check that out. That thing's fast, man. That thing can go. It's like probably like 250 horsepower. Oh no, 300. My goodness. That little thing right thing right there is like 600 horsepower. It's not that much bigger than my my boat. Man, that thing can fly. Yeah, I love the weekdays out here. Don't have a lot of people. You can cruise around like this. Because the weekends, the yachts are going through. The huge whale watch, like cruisers come through the bay. It's super busy. And when you go close to them, you're like this tiny little speck of dust compared to these huge ship, and it can be pretty scary. It can suck you right in, man. That's why I like to be out here on a weekday. Ooh, that's a cool yacht right here. Nice blue. That's awesome. Look at that, man. There's the harbor sheriff department, and we got a coast guard over there too as well. Thanks to our public service. There's for sure, this is a very safe harbor. Look at this. Well, you know, that's what happens when you live in a city that got a lot of money. You can pay for all sorts of public service people. Look at that. This right here alone to surf the harbor. Pretty crazy. All right, let's pick up the pace. Five miles per hour. Oh man. And I'm barely at 2,000 RPM. I can still hear myself. On my old motor, this is me maxing out. On my old motor, I max out right here. 5 miles per hour. All these houses. What I don't know, 15-20 million dollars can get you a corner lot right by the ocean. I think we're just gonna head over here and get some live bait over there by the bait barge. That thing looks like a submarine. That's what I'm talking about right there, man. Look at that yacht. Looks like a freaking submarine just cruising in the harbor. Beautiful. I've got this wide lens on, but it might look small on camera, but the reality is it's a huge, man. That thing is what, maybe like, I don't know, 70 footer. $20 scoop is good. Thank you. Beautiful. Wow, that's quite a bit. Thank you, sir. Look at that. Beautiful babies. Thank you. I'm sorry, what's your name? I see you all the time. Bryce? Bryce? I'm Cody. Cody, nice. I'll see you next time again, sir. As always, you have a wonderful day, sir. Thank you, Bryce. All right. We got some bait fish from Bryce here. Turn on the aerator. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that jetty right there. That's where I started fishing, man. Couldn't catch anything though, because the jetty is pretty much very overfished. It's like hyper crowded, overfished. All right, you ready? Let's go. Straight out to the sea. Oh. Huge pelican. We're at the kelp bed. Look at that. Pretty beautiful out here. Wow. Lobster season. Tons of lobster traps in the water too. All right, let's go do some fishing. That's a huge bait ball down there. Look at that. That's a good sign. That means there's going to be lots of fish down here. That's the fish on. That is a fish on. Yeah, that's a fish on for sure. Okay, buddy. I gotta be careful. Fish on? Oh man, I think I ran into the kelp. Come on. Look at that baby. Haha. All right. Let's see how long is this fish. Got me a tape measure right here. It's 12 inches. 13 inches. Yeah, 13 inches. Can't keep it. 14 inches. Gotta hit. But it's a beautiful fish. All right, buddy. Whoa. Fish on. We got a fish. Oh, we got a black. We got a sheephead. Wow. We got a little sheephead out here. Man, I didn't even know that fish was biting. All right. Let's get it in the boat. In the boat. Sheephead. Yeah. We got a little sheephead right here. Wow, that's awesome. Look, circle hook, hook them right by the mouth. "12 inches or more." Oh shoot! I just got bit by a sheephead, man. That thing got some sharp teeth. Holy cow! You know what? I'll just see. Let's see. Oh, exactly 12 inches. Check that out. My first keeper sheephead. What a beautiful fish. All right. So, a little salt water will do no harm. Look at that. All right. That salt actually that salt make the grape taste a lot better. Living in life, man. Well, a simple life. Got a $1 million view right here without having to own one of those, I don't know, probably like $20 million houses up there. Those are some big, gorgeous houses. All the view without the expensive price tag. Well, I was hoping to do a catch and cook for you, but that fish wasn't big enough. So while we have the rods in the water, I'm hungry. So I got some filet mignon here as backup for today. So we're gonna cook up some steak. All right, always keep the trash, man. I'm seeing stuff floating here in the water. I know stuff can be flying around, but man, people throwing all kinds of trash around. Then the fish eat the plastic, then we eat the fish. That's not cool, because I'm a big fish eater. Got to be careful with this knife. It's sharp. But here we are. I got me some steak seasoning. Rub it on here. All right, I think that's good enough. Beautiful. Welcome to my $1 billion kitchen with the beautiful view without the big price tag. Just gonna marinate that. First time cooking steak on a boat. Oh. I've cooked you know, simple stuff in my kayak before, but steak, no. Just don't have the space for that. I love this new cook set, man. Oh yeah. Don't tell my wife, but I stole her Hexclad. Stainless steel, lifetime warranty. I actually burned this thing before, and the smoke was coming up, but I cleaned it up with some baking soda, man. This thing worth the money. I'm so happy today. It's very little wind out here. Oh, man, is that a fish? Please help me watch my rod and let me know when the fish bite. If that fish bite, man, I'm gonna put the steak away. I'm gonna do a filet. Instead of doing filet mignon, we're gonna do some sashimi. Oh, I got some of that garlic on there earlier. See, maybe just wind. Which way? The wind is that way. Yeah, there we go. It's so hard. All right, there we go. Okay, ready? I'm gonna drop this in. All right, baby. I like the sound of that. Beautiful. I can't beat the view, man. Got the rocks in the back. Got the ocean in the front. We got some filet mignon. Ooh, that steak is looking good, baby. Let's flip this baby over. Ooh, that looks good. That looks beautiful right there. Oh, the smell is so good. Oh man, I'm not gonna complain. Oh, this beats any 5-star Michelin steakhouse. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie. Man, check this out. Look at that. Beautiful piece of steak. I think we're ready. I think we're ready. Oh, we'll let it cool down. Let the juice suck back inside. All right, man. This is long overdue. I've been meaning to do a catch and cook on a boat like this. Wow, catch a fish and cook. Ooh, perfect, man. Look at this. Medium rare right there. Just the way we like it. All right. Oh, bon appetit. Mmm. Ooh, fish jump over there. Come on, fishy, come over here. Mmm. Man, that's too good. I'm so glad that I can share this meal with you. Some black pepper. There we go. Oh man. That's too good. This is good stuff, man. Mmm. I can hear the birds. A huge bird nest in the back there by the rocks. And let me know how you like your steak. I love it medium rare. It doesn't get all dry up and start tasting like chewing gum. Mmm. That's way too good. Alright. There we go. I knew I forgot something. I knew I forgot something. Got a nice avocado. All right. Oh man. Ha ha ha. Ooh, that knife is sharp, man. I gotta be careful. All right. Here we go. Got some avocado. Cheers. That's good. Alright, man. Here is what. Come on, fish. Got some kimchi. Mmm. Perfect balance. Perfect balance. Man, that's good. That's so good. So grateful the weather is beautiful today. Otherwise, I won't be able to do cooking like this. Right here in the boat. Right here in the boat, man. Mmm. Leave me a comment. You like cooking? I love cooking, man. Eating out, too expensive. Plus, not too healthy. You don't know what they put in the food. There was a point in my life when I would eat out so much. I won't lie to you if I say I've hit all the restaurants up and down the coast here. Probably hit most of them. I got to a point where I got sick of eating out, but I was so busy all the time. Just hustling. Don't have time to cook, but it's not healthy. Yeah, eating out gets expensive. DoorDash too. During COVID, we're like door dashing every single day. But I love cooking my own food, man. For me, this is my dream come true right here. A couple years ago, I was grinding so much. Working all the time, man. 16 hours a day, 24 hours a day, just grinding it, pulling it, and I was burned out. I know a lot of young guys, you want to grind it out, hey, good for you, but there's got to be a point somewhere where the grinding just doesn't work anymore. You gotta find time to rest, especially you got a family. You won't burn out. And the things that you've always loved to do, you start hating doing it. I was stuck on my computer in my home office all day. I wake up, I walk down the hallway, I look at my computer, thought it was a fish. Then I spent my whole entire day there. Rinse and repeat for years, man. But you know, that's life. Is there such thing as a work-life balance? I'm still trying to figure that out. Because if you want to get ahead, you want to be successful, you got to stay focused. And that's what I did. Did it get me to where I want to be? Kind of. But nothing comes free. You got to sacrifice something for something else. And the one thing that it's always at cost is time. You know, it doesn't matter. You wear a cheap $20 watch or $20,000 Rolex. They all tell time, but neither of them can buy back time. And that's the whole thing about the modern society. You gotta figure out where your time is best placed. You might be dialing in, thinking you're gonna be watching some guy catching fish. And here you're watching some guy eating filet mignon with kimchi and just sharing you some live experience. Hey, if this is the kind of content you enjoy watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe, hit that like, so the next time I upload, you can see my my content on your feed. Thank you. Don't want to drop that. My wife gonna yell at me. But I bought it for her anyway, so. Forgot something. I brought some beer. Well, 0 alcohol beer anyways. All right, here we go. We got some 0 alcohol Stella. Oh, gotta celebrate, man. I need to get a real beer opener. There we go. Come on. There we go. Oh man. Big wave coming in. Cheers.